All right.
Collin County resident Chrissy Brown has a love-hate relationship with taxes.
Yes, it's a pain. My paperwork sat there looking me in the face saying, do this, do this, do this, and I still haven't.
But she enjoys the benefit of a refund once it's all done. It's just getting to that point.
If there weren't so much to do, then starting and finishing would be real easy and we'd be done.
Her biggest concern is making sure she's getting the most deductions in order to get the biggest refund possible.
I kind of lose focus on deductions. There's always the nagging in the back of my mind that's, did I miss something?
Depends on what you did during the year that will determine how you'll file an income tax return for 2009 or any other year.
Arta Gulnick, senior lecturer for the UT Dallas School of Management, says finding the most deductions and credits can add up to a bigger refund.
But it could be a significant amount of money.
For new home buyers looking to cash in on the government's first-time buyer credit, you must show your closing statement in order to get the refund.
If you don't put the closing statement in, it's going to slow down the refund.
If you've been laid off and are actively looking for work, job hunting expenses can also be deducted.
Job-seeking expenses are deductible if you're seeking a job in the same line of business. Whatever cost you pay to a headhunter or executive recruiter will be deductible.
Have you made energy-efficient changes to your home? If so, you could be entitled to up to $1,500 more in your refund. Gulnick also says people often forget to deduct the cost of unreimbursed medical costs, like doctor's visits, glasses, even prescription drugs, and those can all add up fast.
And the most important thing is you have to read the instructions.
He says as long as you think ahead and plan throughout the year, you can get the biggest refund possible.
But oftentimes people just forget what they did during the year, and they sit down April 14th and start putting the tax return together and don't think of things they spent earlier in the year.
Mommy loves her piggies.
Chrissy Brown uses TurboTax, which she says maximizes her family's deductions, but she still wonders if there are others.
TurboTax doesn't tell us, then it must not exist. But that's not necessarily the case.
Gulnick says the IRS website is a great resource for finding out what deductions will fit you best. To get started, log on to CBS11TV.com. I'm Ginger Allen, CBS 11 News.